Gold dropped to 1965 levels and have shown a very strong recovery. Now, it has achieved close to previous week's high at 1993. If you recall, I have told in my weekly review, in my daily review, that 1960-70 is a great support zone for gold here. And do not treat this as bearish as long as 1954 is respected. Now, what will happen today? How to profit trading gold today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you are not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. The next update will be released before the US session was that as well. Now, if you look at the hourly chart, see gold has seen a drop here outside this channel, and since then we have seen it rallying high. It is still continuing to create higher highs on the hourly charts. Support levels now at 1978. As long as 1978 is not taken, we should not treat gold as bearish for the day. On the upside, now it is aspiring to achieve 2000 levels probably. We might see 2000 levels in gold, and we have to wait for it to break past the last week's high, that is 1994-1995 zone. If gold continues to stay above 1994, then you can say that we are looking forward to 2000 and 2005 levels as well. I will probably look forward to this zone if it continues to stay bullish from here, that is 2010. There is a probability that it can show a strong bullish momentum. But you should note the hourly stochastic consistently staying overbought. The MACD is divergent and bullish. It is looking upward. MACD has still scope for it to rise. RSI has come to overbought level. So 2 out of the 3 major indicators are staying overbought. Coming to 2-hour chart, if you look at 2-hour charts here, you will find the top of this at 2010 levels. And if you connect the lows here, you will find the bottom of this channel now at 1970 levels here. This is a $40 zone where gold might try to station itself. And if you look at the recent past, yes, this is how it is traded. Now it is looking upwards. Stochastic has come to overbought levels. The MACD, look at the MACD on the 2-hour charts. It has just crossed over. Trading with divergence, trading bullish. What it has done, it has achieved the median here and now trying to rise. So probably we may see it rising consistently. RSI looking upwards and it is still trying to trade bullish. Coming to 3-hour. On the 3-hour charts, first point is the retracement, second is the rise. Just wait for it to break past the double top levels, that is the last highs which we have seen recently, that is at 1994. Now beyond 1994 we can look forward to 1998, and then I will look forward to in fact the last week's highs or the recent highs here at 2010 levels. Yes, it can scale up to 2010 levels, but notice that the farther it goes from the current levels, the higher will be the chance for it to come back. If you look at the moving averages here, these have just crossed over. Prices are still divergent from the moving average. Support levels at 1978.80. It is a very good support for gold now. Stochastic overbought here. MACD on the verge of a crossover, and it is continuing to trade or diverge. But remember one point. See, it was trading bearish. It was trading with a fat belly. That is why we can see it converging. It has just crossed over. I will wait for the next candle. Once it starts to diverge more and the next candle stays bullish, just stay long here. See, rise, retracement, and if it continues to rise, it is going to give you very good bullish momentum. RSI near to top as well. Coming to 4-hour chart, likewise on the 4-hour charts, see, it has breached, first of all, it has breached this channel yesterday, but again falling back within the zone. Now looking upwards to the top of this, which is right now at 2010 levels. So just we have to wait for gold to break past yesterday's or the last week's highs at 1994, 95, and beyond this 98, 2000 first target, and 2010 levels should be the next target here. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD, see what has happened with MACD, rise here, retracement. It was trading with divergence. It is trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. So the next candle is going to be of prime importance for gold, because if it continues here and crosses over, then you can say that what we have seen on the 3-hour charts may be reflected here, where we can look forward to further rise. RSI rising as well. Coming to the daily. Now, before we look into the daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch, or you can join my signals channel as well, where trading as per the signals, you can definitely benefit. Reach out to me for more details on same. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can join my weekly webinar series, and yes, all the details related to the services are mentioned in my platform forexfunda.com, which has much more in offering, including the charts, including the indicators. There is much more for you. Just visit the platform forexfunda.com. Now, if you look at the daily charts for gold, see what yesterday's drop has done. It has just kissed the 20 period moving average. It was trading with divergence. It has achieved this level. What it has done, first of all, lower highs, lower lows, and with that it has seen a breakout today and has continued towards the previous highs. Now it is certainly bullish, and I will not recommend you to sell gold as long as 1978, 1980 levels are respected today. Yes, these are going to be the support levels. Also, if you observe these few highs, you will find today it is breached past these levels, this trend line, and it has achieved and it has given a breakout. But we have to just wait for it to break past the preceding highs here at 94, 95, which is certainly a greater resistance in what we have seen in the recent past. Beyond 94, 95, we are looking at 98, 2004, and in fact 2010 levels. It can continue to scale highs here. But stochastic here is near to overbought levels. Look at MACD. Now, see MACD as well, what we have seen on the 4-hour charts and 3-hour charts, it has just converged here, not yet crossed over. Today, it needs a stronger bullish momentum for it to cross over, and again tomorrow, it has to give a consistent bullish candle in order to rise. RSI is looking upwards as well. Thus, first of all, the bearishness today in gold is only below 1978 levels. But those who want to enjoy a little swing can buy here at or sell here at 1984, 85 levels. Expect 1980, 81 levels as the first target. And this is still an opportunity for us to enter into buy position. Yes, every drop towards 78, 80 is a buy position here. On the upside, I will recommend you to buy here at 1994, 95. Beyond which you can expect first target at 1998, then 2004 and 2010. I will be looking forward to 2010 here. If not today, possibly by tomorrow, these levels will get achieved if it stays above 94, 95. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Do join my free Telegram channel. Do join my signals channel or the mentorship batch. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session. Thank you.